write down d by dx. You have to do a lot of math. Sine 2x. Sine 2x. What do you do? What is sine 2x? Let me know. Sine 2x is cos 2x. Now it is to be differentiated again. This 2x is differentiated, is to be differentiated again. So we are getting, it is 2. So we are getting 2 cos 2x. Our math is done. Then we have cosine x by 2. D by dx cosine x by 2. What is cosine x by 2? Let me know. Minus sine x by 2. Hello, everybody. Are you getting it? Cosine x by 2 is what? Minus sine x by 2.
Yes, sir.
But we are not done yet. It is d by dx x
Sir,
by 2.
আবার কেন ডিফারেন্সিয়েট করতে হইলো?
It is not x. It is not only x. If you see that it is not only x, then you have to differentiate. And this chain rule I told you. Cosine x is a function. It is itself x by 2 another function. So that is we are getting here minus it is half sine x by 2. X by 2 means half. That is x is 1. So it is x by 2 means what? It is half of x, right? So differentiation of x is 1. So this is half only. Is it? Now you see tan x cube. Who can do tan x cube? Not tan cube x.
Sir, regular numbering হচ্ছে না কেন 1.1
Okay, because in question number 1 we have about 10 minutes in 1. That is I think you've got me. Okay, what is tan x? Tan x is what? Sec square x. Here x is x cube. Have you got me? What is tan x? Tan x is sec square x. X is x cube. But that x is not only x, so it is to be differentiated again. I think you've got it. Talk to me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So x cube equals to what? 3x square.
3x square.
Sec square x cube. Talk to me. D by dx, we are getting sec root x. Don't be afraid of easy math. Okay, what is sec x? Let me know. What is sec x?
Sec x into tan x.
Okay, so what is sec x? Let me know. Sec x is what? Sec x tan x? Sec x tan x? Talk to me. What is sec x? Sec x tan x, right? Hello? Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then d by dx root over x. You have to determine at first. you have to find out what is another function. Sec x is a function, but root x is another function. Have you seen? So what is the differentiation of sec x? Sec x is sec x tan x. Now you have to see this x, it is not only x, it is root over x. So it is to be differentiated again. And I told you too many times that we know root x equals to what? Let me know. Root x equals to what?
It's to the
1
power
by
half.
1 by 2 root x.
1 by 2 root over x, right? Into sec root x into tan root x. Talk to me.
Ji, sir.
We are going to do another math. Cosec ln x. D by dx. Cosec ln x. We have to do this math. What is the formula? Let me know. What is the formula?
Cosec
You can
x
tell me.
into cot x.
Are sure?
আর এখানে তো ln x. Cosec ln x into cot ln x.
Okay. Cosec x. X is ln x. Cosec x. But there is what? Co. Co means what? Minus. You did not tell me. Co means what? Minus, right? There is co. Co means minus. So cosec x, cot x. Cot x. Cosec x, cot x. It is done. But you see, this part is another function. Okay, it has been considered only x here. It is only x here. We have considered it. That is, it is to be differentiated again. So we are getting here d by dx ln x. Okay, now let me, what is the differentiation of ln x?
1 by x.
One by x. So you do it. Now, the next math is d by dx sin e to the power x. Okay, you do it. Have you done it?
Yes,
it is equal to what? It is equal to what? Let me know.
E to the power
Sin
x cos e.
Sin x equals to what? Cos x.
Cos e to the power x into e to the power x.
Then d by dx. This one. And d by dx, ex equals to what? Ex. Okay?
cos হবে না?
I am
cos
sorry.
হবে।
I'm sorry. It's okay. Okay. Now you see the next math. Sin root over x. Sin root over x. Let me know. Cosine x, right? Then d by dx root x. Root x equals to what? 1 by 2 root over x. It is cosine x. So we are done. Is it? Everybody?
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
Now we are going to question number 2 of 1. Now this is 2 of 1. x minus 1 whole square, d by dx, x minus 1 whole square. Now the different math. Let me know who can do it. Try to understand one thing. What is x square? Talk to me.
So 2x.
2x. 2x means what? This is 2, right? So you consider this 2. So it is 2x minus 1, right? But this is not only x. So it will be again differentiated. D by dx. What is x here? You have to think x is x minus 1. This is x. So in this math, this is x. If you don't get, please talk to me. Actually, there is power 2 minus 1. Then you understand?
Yes, sir.
So it is 2 into x minus 1. It is 0. It is only 1. So math is done. 2x minus 2.
স্যার
Yes.
d by dx into sin ex এর পর কি এটাই নেক্সট ম্যাথ ছিল নাকি এর আগে
Yes.
আরেকটা করে ফেলেছেন?
You are absolutely right. Okay, have you copied it?
Yes, sir.
Now you see cos cube x, d by dx, cosine cube x. It is power, right? So what will be 3 cos square x as x cube? What we get? Let me know. 3x square. Is it? Now, can you tell me what is x here? D by dx. What is x here? Cosine x. Is it? You see, what is x here? Please try to understand. Actually, this math is given in this way. Cosine x whole cube. This is the math. Now, please, can you tell me, is this? It is 3. So it is power will be, power will be decreased by 1. So this, now this is x. This is x, which again will be differentiated. So we are getting here 3 cos square x. Cos x equals to what? Minus sin x. That is minus 3 sin x cos square x. We are done. Is it hard?
Nah, sir.
Okay. D by dx log a base x whole to the power 4. Let me know what will be here. Four log a base x whole to the power 3. Talk to me.
Yes, sir.
Power will be decreased by 1. Then what is x here? You have to differentiate. You have to find out at first what is x. It is x. Talk to me. Okay. Now it is 4 log a base x whole cube. Log x equals to what? 1 by x log a base. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
If you know the formula, it is then only possible. Otherwise, it is impossible.
স্যার লাস্ট লাইনটা মুছেন না স্যার।
That I know. Now tan square x. D by dx tan square x. 10x square x equals to what? Let me know. It is power. At first, you have to do the functioning on power. So it is 2 10x. Talk to me. I mean, the math is given like this, 10x whole square. So you know x square is 2x. So you consider it as by x. So it is 2x, 2 10x, 2x. X is 10x. So 2 10x. Then you have to find out what is x here. D by dx 10x. Talk to me.
G, sir.
Then we get here 2 10x. What is 10x? Sec square x. So it is done here, nothing to do. Okay. Sorry. So you have got it. Then sin square x. D by dx sin square x. What will be here? 2 sin x, right? Then d by dx sin x. So sin x equals to what? Cos x to sin x. It is in the formula, so we can calculate further. Sin 2x. Is it? Then the next math is sec square x equals to what? 2 sec x, right? Then d by dx sec x. So we are getting here 2 sec x. Sec x equals to what? Sec x 10x. That means 2 sec square x is it okay to all? Talk to me.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, going to the next math. Sin square 3x. Important. These two, so 2 sin 3x. I have done the functioning of power. For 2, it is very easy. If it was 3, then it will be a square. Then d by dx sin 3x. At first, you have to find which one is x. You compare with x, it is x square. So 2x. So x is this, sin 3x is x. Now you see, it is 2 sin 3x. What is sin 3x? Cosine 3x. But it is not only x. So it will be differentiated again. D by dx 3x. Okay. So 3x is what? X is 1. So we'll get 3 here. And it is a formula of sin 2x. Sin 2x means what? 2 into 3x. That is sin 6x. Math is done. I'll be highly pleased if you can do this math. Actually, it is very easy and simple math, but it is given in the exam of 2 marks, even in the MCQ. What is the differentiation of this? Okay. I am going to question number 3. Question number 3. D by dx e to the power 5x. So what is the differentiation of e to the power 5x? Is e to the power 5x, right? E to the power x is what? E to the power x is e to the power x. So I have written the same, but it is x, but it is 5x. It is not only x. So it will be differentiated again. D by dx 5x. Okay. Now this 5 will be here. What is the differentiation of 5x? It is a coefficient, will never be changed. X is 1, so 5. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Now, d by dx, e to the power 5x minus 3. It is ex. Very good. E to the power x. It is done. Now, we see it is d by dx 5x minus 3. Is it okay? Now you see, it is e to the power 5x minus 3. It is 0 and it is 5 only. So this is that 5. Okay. Talk to me.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
If you fail to understand, please, you should talk to me. Huh? D by dx e to the power minus 5x. What is e to the power x? Is e to the power x. D by dx minus 5x. This is what? Minus 5x. So it is only minus 5 e to the power. Okay. The next one, d by dx e to the power x square. Don't be afraid of e to the power x equals to what? E to the power x. X is x square. Then what is x here? In this math, e to the power x, e to the power x. So what is x? X is x square. So x, it is x square. You consider this as by x. So e to the power x. Okay. Now we get e to the power x square. It is what? 2x. So math is done. 2x e to the power 2x. 2x e to the power x square. Our math is done. I think you are enjoying, right? Okay. E to the power minus x square. D by dx e to the power minus x square. E to the power x square. Then d by dx, it is minus x square. E to the power minus x square, it is what? Minus 2x. So it is minus 2x e to the power minus x square. Math is done. It is minus. I think it is okay, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, another math can be given here. E to the power, oh my god. E to the power d by dx, e to the power x square minus 5x, x square minus 5x plus 4. We should not be afraid of. It is e to the power x. It is x. It is e to the power x. Then that x will be again differentiated. That is x square minus 5x plus 4. So we are getting here e to the power x as it is. It will be kept. Now let me know. This is what? 2x. This is what? Minus. Our math is done. We are not left with anything. Our next math. D by dx root over 1 by e to the power x. This is the math. What will you do? d by dx, it is what? Root over e to the power minus x. Is it? 1 by e to the power x. So it is e to the power minus x. That means d by dx e to the power minus x by 2. Now, what is e to the power x? E to the power x is e to the power x. But x is here minus x by 2. That is not only x. So it will be again differentiated. Right? That means here it is minus half. We are getting here minus half e to the power minus x by 2. Or if you want to write down, it can be written like this. You see, if you want, you can write the answer like this: 1 by 2 root over 1 by e to the power x. You can write down the answer like this. But you're done here. This is 1 by 2, that is root, and this is minus, so it is in the denominator.
Sir.
Yes.
Make সব জায়গায় d by du লিখেছেন?
D by dx, why u?
du আচ্ছা। ও x,
Okay.
sorry.
I am going to differentiate with respect to x. D by dx. Then it is tan e to the power x square. Tan e to the power x square. Have you got it? Okay, it can be written d by dx tan e to the power x square talk to me. Everybody. So it is what? Half tan e to the power x square. Power is half minus 1. D by dx tan e to the power. You have to find out what is x. Here x is wholly and fully, this is x. X to the power half. It is x to the power half. So half x, half minus 1. Okay. Now you see here, it will be minus half. The power is minus half. So we can write down 1 by 2 root over tan e to the power x square. Right? This part. Okay. Now tan x. What is the formula of tan x? Tan x is sec square x. What is x here? E to the power x square. Tan x is what? It is tan, it is x. So tan x is sec square x. So here now it is x. So d by dx e to the power x square. So we are getting here 1 by 2 root over tan e to the power x square dot. It is sec square e to the power x square. Now it is e to the power x square. Yes, it is e to the power x is e to the power x. Now what is left? X square is left. That is d by dx x square. Now what is x square? It is 2x. So we can write down 2x by 2 root over tan e to the power x square dot sec square e to the power x square dot e to the power x square. Here these two will be omitted and the left is answer. Is it okay to all?
Yes, sir.
Now you see question number 4. D by dx ln px plus q ln px plus q. This is the math. Now the question is, what is ln x? What is ln x is what? 1 by x. So what is x? X is this here. So 1 by x.
এটা কত নম্বর কোশ্চেন?
Question number 4. Px plus q. What is x here? Px plus q is x here. So it is 1 by x. Ln x, so 1 by x. So d by dx, it is not only x, so it will be again differentiated. Now you see it is 0 as it is constant. Px is what? P. So p by, we are done. P by px plus q. Talk to me. All of you are required to talk to me.
হ্যাঁ স্যার বুঝছি।
It is the easiest math. Okay. But if you don't know all this, then it will be the hardest one in your life. D by dx ln cosine x. What is ln x? Ln x is 1 by x. What is ln x? Ln x 1 by x. Then d by dx cosine x. What is cos x? Minus sin x by cos x. So we are getting minus tan x. Okay. Then ln x cube minus 2x square. Ln x cube d by dx ln x cube minus 2x square. Okay, I'm sorry, here the bracket. What is ln x? I have to find out which one is x here. It is x. So what is ln x? Ln x is 1 by x. What is x? It is x. It is our x. 1 by x. So this x now will be differentiated. And we know its differentiation or its derivative is 3x square. And here it is 4x. And it is x cube minus 2x square. We can omit x. We are left with 3x minus 4 by x square minus 2x. Our math is done. From both the numerator and denominator, okay, we have taken x common, or we have divided the numerator and denominator by x. It is very easy and simple, but now the math I'm going to do is important. That is ln of, write down d by dx ln of e to the power x plus e to the power minus x. Who can do it? Who can do it? Just let me know. What is x here? This part is x here. Please try to understand. This is x. This is x. So ln x equals to what? 1 by x. So 1 by x. So this is 1. and this is x. E to the power x plus e to the power minus x. But it is not only x, so it will be again differentiated. It is not only x, so it is to be differentiated. So we get here d by dx, okay, e to the power x plus e to the power minus x. Now it is again 1 by e to the power x plus e to the power minus x. Now you see, can you please let me know what is e to the power x? E to the power x is e to the power x. Okay? E to the power x is e to the power x. Now, what is e to the power minus x? E to the power minus x is e to the power minus x. But d by dx minus x, because it is not only x. Or for to remove your confusion, give you a second bracket. Talk to me. This is e to the power x, is formula is e to the power x. It is e to the power x, e to the power x, but x is not only x, it is minus x, so it is to be differentiated again. Okay? That means we are getting here, you see, it is e to the power x, write down e to the power x plus e to the power minus x, write down e to the power minus x. This is in the numerator, e to the power x. This is minus 1, so minus e to the power minus x. You have to do a lot of maths of this type. A lot of maths are to be done in your life. More than 1,000 maths in your calculus. But the interesting fact is that you cannot memorize all this. Okay? Question number 5. D by dx 2x minus 7 whole to the power 4. 2x minus 7 whole to the power 4 equal to what? 4 into 2x minus 7, 4 minus 1. Right? Then we have to again differentiate. What is x here? 2x minus 7. Okay, 4 into 2x minus 7 whole cube. It is only 2. So we are getting 8 into 2x minus 7 whole cube. This is our answer. D by dx 1 minus x whole to the power minus 1. Is it? Yes, it is. Very easy and simple. How to do this math? You see, this is power, so minus 1 minus x whole to the power minus 1 minus 1. But the math is not done yet. It is d by dx 1 minus x. You compared it with x to the power minus 1. What you do? Minus x minus 1 minus 1. This x, this is the x 1 minus x. It is not only x, so it is to be differentiated again. So we are getting here minus 1 minus x whole to the power minus 2. It is what? Minus 1. It is 0. It is minus 1. So minus minus plus. So we are getting 1 in the numerator, and here it is 1 minus x whole square. I think you are getting it very easily, right? All the maths which are being to be done today, okay, are really very, very easy. 2x minus 5 whole to the power 3. Now you see d by dx 1 by 2x minus 3 whole to the power, or 2x minus 5. What is the given? 2x minus 5 whole to the power 3. So what is our first function? D by dx 2x minus 5 whole to the power minus 3, right? Is it? Then do as usual, minus 3 2x minus 5 whole to the power minus 3 minus 1. What is x? We have considered 2x minus 5. So it will be again differentiated. Okay. That means we are getting here minus 3 2x minus 5 whole to the power minus 4. It is what? Only 2, because it is 0. So we are getting 2 into 3 minus 6 here, and here 2x minus 5, it is minus 4, so it is plus 4. It is the answer. On by root over 4 minus x, the next math. I don't know you are here or not. D by dx.
See, sir.
আছি তো
My God. Root over 4 minus x. Can you do this math? What is to do at first? We don't have any formula like this, so we have to 4 minus x minus half.
Yes, sir.
Just you see minus half 4 minus x whole to the power minus half minus 1, right? Up to this it is okay. Now what is x here? You see this is x here, only this is x. So we can differentiate again, right? So you see it is minus 1 minus plus half. It is half 1 by 2 4 minus x. I think you have this answer, right? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The next math is 1 by d by dx 1 by, it is root over a square plus x square. Can you do this? Talk to me. It is what? D by dx a square plus x square. Let me know. Minus. It is half because root. It is minus because it was in the denominator. Now it is in the numerator. So we can do like the previous one, minus half a square plus x square minus half minus 1. It is not only x, so it will be differentiated again. Dx, it is not u, it is x. A square plus x square. Who told me it is x, u? Who is that? Minus half a square plus x square whole to the power minus 3 by 2. Okay. Okay, now you see, dear students, it is a, but you are going to differentiate with respect to x, not with respect to a. So it is 0, it is constant as there is no x. Now we are left with only x square, and the differentiation of x square is what? 2x, and we get 2 to omitter, right? That means our answer is minus 1 a square plus x square whole to the power 3 by 2. Is it okay to everybody?
হ্যাঁ স্যার
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
that's good. I think you can see the board clearly, right, today?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
জি স্যার
Okay, d by dx 1 by 3 minus 5x equal to the power 2 by 5. It is power, huh? It is power 2 by 5. Can you do this math?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Do it. Do before me. So we are getting here 3 minus 5x equal to the power minus 2 by 5. Okay. It is in the denominator. So now it is in the numerator. There is no square root anyway. So we are getting here minus 2 by 5. 3 minus 5x whole to the power minus 2 by 5 minus 1. Then again, d by dx, it is to be differentiated again, 3 minus 5x. I think we are done. That is minus 2 by 5. It is 3 minus 5x whole to the power 5, 2, 7, minus 7 by 5. Okay. Now it is what? 3, 0, only minus 5. Only minus 5. So this 5 will be omitted, minus minus plus. That means we are getting here 5 will be omitted, minus minus plus. So we are getting a 2 by 3 minus 5x, 3 minus 5x whole to the power 7 by 5. It is the answer, okay? Question number 6. D by dx 1 by 5 x square minus 5x this is the math. Can you do it? What is your first functioning? D by dx, it is x square minus 5x plus 8 minus power minus 1 by 5. Have you got it or not? This is the question. Minus 1 by 5 x square minus 5x plus 8 whole to the power minus 1 by 5 minus 1. Is it okay? Power is n minus 1. That means we are getting here minus 1 by 5 x square minus 5x plus 8. Here we have to do d by dx. Okay. Then it is x square minus 5x plus 8. It was not written at first. Now you see it is minus 1. This is power of minus 1 minus 6, right? Minus 6 by 5. Is it? Yes, it is. Then we are getting here 2x minus 5. Actually, we are done here.
স্যার এটা কি এখনো 1 এর 6 নাম্বার?
হ্যাঁ, 1 is 6 number.
কত আছে এখানে? আরো
বোর্ড। হ্যাঁ? Someone is telling
হ্যাঁ
yes.
স্যার একই রকম জিনিসই তো।
That I know. But every month is different from other.
স্যার আপনি ছবি তুলে কয়েকটা হোমওয়ার্ক দিয়ে দিন তাও ভালো।
Okay. Okay, I'm giving it now. 2x minus 5 minus 2x minus 5. Okay. Then we are getting here 5 x square minus 5x plus 8 whole to the power 6 by 5. So this is the math. Okay. Now, yes, you're right. D by dx, write down ln. Now you do it. If you can do, though I am left with only 2 or 3 maths like this only. Okay, do it. If you can do, then I'll come to know that yes, you would do all maths. Can you do?
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
What will you do?
স্যার প্রথমে হবে a minus x by a plus x
Wait.
d by dx.
If you do the math like this, it will take 50 pages. Write down d by dx ln a plus x minus ln a minus x. I think you have got me.
আচ্ছা হ্যাঁ।
During division, it is
Yeah.
subtracted. During division, it is subtracted, right? Now you see, you're telling ln x. We can done yes, 1 by x. When you go to differentiate this, it will be u by v. You understand? U by v. It is u, it is v. Please try to
Yes,
understand.
sir.
For this now, but we are done here. You see, it is 1 by a plus x. Okay. D by dx a plus x. It is 1 by a minus x d by dx a minus x, right? Now you see, it is a0, it is x1. So we are getting the same result here, a plus x. You see, it is minus a minus x. It is a0, it is x. So we are getting a minus x, that is, it is 2a. We have this as answer. Very simple. I know that you are now in a position that you can get LCM or you can do. I am giving you some maths for, as for homework, write down ln.
স্যার ছবি তুলে দেন না।
Only 2 or 3 maths. We are done.
আচ্ছা।
Then sin square x cube. Sin square x cube, sorry, x square, x square. Then it is 1 by 1 plus cos x. 1 by.
স্যার সবগুলোর আগে ডেরিভেটিভের সাইন আছে না?
Of course. But interesting fact is that none of you will be able to do more than one math. None long time. Question number 2-1. D by dx e to the power x 1 plus e to the power x. Homework. Question number 2. D by dx x root over sin x. These maths are given in the exam always. This type of d by dx e to the power x e to the power x sin square x. Question number 4. D by dx e to the power minus x cosine 3x. Then number 5. Ln sin a x square. D by dx ln sin a x square. What is ln it is number 6. Okay, sine cube x cube d by dx sine cube x cube 1 plus sine 2x whole square d by dx 1 plus sine 2x whole square. Number 8, d by dx e to the power root over e to the power root over x. Number 9, a to the power cos x.
স্যার ফোন নাম্বারটা কি ছিল জানেন?
Number 4, e to the power minus ax, e to the power minus ax cosine 3x. Okay, it was number 4. Now number 10, ln sin x d by dx e to the power root over ln sin x. Okay, write down. (11) d by dx root over x square minus a square